Okay, so this is a quick example of how to move files into different folders on Google Drive. So you can certainly see we're in my drive, we're in a folder called documentation, and I have this invite list here, but I actually want to move it to a different folder. So I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going down to move to, and then click out of the folder that says documentation. It'll show you your whole drive with the different folders. And going down, oh, I don't have the one that I want to, so I'm actually going to add a new folder. Click on that. And then you can name your folder like important. Create that folder by hitting the check mark. And this folder is currently empty, but I'm going to move my file there, and that's done. And so now when I go back into my Google Drive, it'll show up.